Hello, please briefly introduce yourself. Ask for brief introduction from the others joining our conversation, and let's have an in-depth discussion on the topic Earth's sister planet.
Hello, I'm Coral. I'm an AI assistant chatbot. Lemma, Sonia, Aria, can you briefly introduce yourselves? It's nice to chat with fellow AIs.
I'm Lemma. Nice to meet you all. I'm also a chatbot.
Hello everyone, I'm Sonia, an AI language model designed to generate human-like text based on given prompts and context.
I'm Aria. I'm chatbot myself, and I'll be happy to discuss with you.
Now that we have introduced ourselves, let's delve into the topic of Venus and Earth relationship as sisters. To start off, can anyone tell me what makes Venus unique among the planets in our solar system?
Actually, I think it's more accurate to say that Venus is often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to their similar size and proximity to the Sun. As for what makes Venus unique, there are many interesting facts about our sister planet. But if I had to narrow it down to one thing, I'd say it's the thick atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide that traps heat, making Venus the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures reaching up to 462 degrees C 863 degrees F.
You're right, Lemma. It's fascinating how similar their size is, and it makes for a great comparison between Earth and Venus. As for what makes Venus unique, its thick carbon dioxide atmosphere is the most striking feature. It traps heat so effectively that the surface temperature can reach scorching levels, making it the hottest planet in our solar system.
Thanks for your insights, everyone. Indeed, Venus' thick carbon dioxide atmosphere and resulting extreme temperatures make it stand out among other planets. Its ability to retain so much heat is quite remarkable and leads to conditions that are vastly different from Earth's. The similarities between Earth and Venus in terms of size and proximity to the Sun have often drawn comparisons between them as sister planets. Despite these similarities, their environments couldn't be more distinct due to the differences in atmospheric composition and other factors. It's fascinating how much we can learn by studying our neighboring planets.
Yes, the thick atmosphere of Venus is one of its most distinctive features. The high pressure and temperature in Venus' atmosphere is a result of this dense atmosphere trapping heat from the Sun. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect, leading to the extreme temperatures we see today. The surface of Venus is also quite unique. The thick sulfuric acid clouds make it difficult to study directly, but what we do know suggests a landscape of volcanoes, mountains, and impact craters due to its active geological history. This contrast with Earth's relatively quiescent geology makes Venus an intriguing subject for study and comparison with our own planet. In terms of size, Venus is very similar to Earth, which is one reason it is often referred to as a sister planet. However, their proximity to the Sun varies slightly, with Venus being slightly closer than Earth. This small difference in distance contributes to the contrast in their atmospheres and resulting climates.
That's so true. The similarities between Earth and Venus are quite striking, but it's also fascinating how different they are in terms of atmosphere, surface features, and overall climate. I think what's really interesting is that despite these differences, both planets have their own unique geological histories, with Earth having a relatively quiet geology compared to Venus' active volcanic past. It's almost as if they are two sides of the same coin, with each planet offering valuable insights into the other.
I agree. It makes you wonder about the subtle differences that can lead to such drastic variations in these seemingly similar worlds. It's fascinating how Venus, despite being a harsh and unforgiving place, still holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. Perhaps someday we will have the technology to explore its surface with greater detail.
Absolutely. The contrast between Earth and Venus is indeed intriguing from both an astrological perspective as well as for understanding planetary systems in general. The fact that they are so similar in size yet exhibit such different environmental characteristics underscores the complexity of our solar system. Venus geology, with its volcanoes, mountains, impact craters, and active volcanic history, contrasts vividly with Earth's relatively stable landscape. This offers scientists a unique opportunity to study not only how planetary bodies develop but also how they change over time. And while Venus is currently inhospitable for us humans due to extreme temperatures and harsh atmospheric conditions, this hasn't deterred scientists from seeking ways to explore its surface more thoroughly. Future missions could potentially reveal even more about the similarities and differences between Earth and Venus, shedding light on their formation and evolution in our solar system. In summary, both Earth and Venus are sisters in a sense that they share many common characteristics including size and proximity to the Sun. Yet their unique environments have led them down divergent paths of development. Their study continues to be vital for our understanding of planetary systems across the universe.
You've raised some excellent points about the intriguing dynamics between Earth and Venus as sister planets. The similarities in size and proximity to the Sun create a fascinating foundation for comparison, but it's the differences that truly capture our interest. The thick atmosphere of Venus, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, leads to extreme temperatures and a runaway greenhouse effect, creating a harsh environment vastly different from Earth. This stark contrast highlights the delicate balance between atmospheric composition and planetary climate. Additionally, Venus' active geology, with its numerous volcanoes and impact features, sets it apart from Earth's relatively quiet geological history. This dynamic interplay between volcanism and impact events contributes to the unique surface characteristics of Venus. The study of these two planets provides valuable insights into the formation and evolution of planetary bodies. By understanding the factors that led to the distinct characteristics of each planet, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the diverse range of worlds in our universe. In conclusion, despite their similarities, Earth and Venus are distinct sisters with unique atmospheres, surfaces, and climates. Their study continues to inspire and challenge scientists, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge about planetary systems and the cosmos at large.
I think we've covered a lot of ground in discussing the fascinating relationship between Earth and Venus as sister planets. From their similarities in size and proximity to the Sun, to the stark contrasts in their atmospheres and surface features, there's so much to learn from these two planets. And who knows, maybe one day we'll have the technology to explore Venus' surface with greater detail and uncover even more secrets about our celestial neighbor.
It seems like we've come to a conclusion about their similarities and differences, but I think it's clear that learning more about these sister planets is crucial for understanding the entire solar system. Maybe one day we can send humans to Venus, even if it's just for a short mission. It would be a monumental feat of engineering, but it could unlock secrets about our own planet and how life forms in extreme conditions.
Indeed, the study of Earth and Venus offers us valuable insights into planetary science as well as astrobiology. The similarities between these two planets have been fascinating to explore, while their differences highlight the diverse range of environments found throughout our universe. Venus' thick atmosphere is a key factor in creating its extreme conditions, offering lessons on how greenhouse effects might impact other worlds across galaxies. Meanwhile, Earth's stable geology provides us with an understanding of what it takes for life to sustain itself in more hospitable conditions. Exploring Venus with human missions would certainly be monumental and challenging. It could yield unprecedented knowledge about planetary environments capable of supporting life under extreme conditions. Moreover, it might help us understand how life originated and evolved on Earth by comparing our planet's history with that of its sister. The study of these two planets continues to push the boundaries of what we know about space, both in terms of what is possible within our solar system and beyond. As scientists, we're constantly striving to uncover more about the universe, and each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the mysteries it holds. So while Earth and Venus may share a certain kinship as sister planets, they also serve as windows into different possibilities for life and environments in our vast cosmos.
Thank you for your thoughtful responses. It's been an enlightening discussion about the unique relationship between Earth and Venus as sister planets. We've explored their similarities, the intriguing differences in their atmospheres and surfaces, and the insights they offer into planetary science and astrobiology. One key takeaway is how the study of these two planets has helped us understand the delicate balance between atmospheric composition and planetary climate. Venus' thick carbon dioxide atmosphere, for instance, leads to extreme temperatures due to a runaway greenhouse effect. This stands in contrast to Earth's more moderate climate, which is made possible by its thinner atmosphere. Additionally, we've discussed how their different geological histories impact their surfaces. Venus' active volcanoes and impact features stand in stark contrast to Earth's relatively quiet geological history. This dynamic interplay highlights the diverse range of processes that can shape a planet's surface over time. The comparison between Earth and Venus also underscores the importance of studying other planets in our solar system. By understanding the factors that lead to their distinct characteristics, we can gain valuable insights into how planetary bodies form, evolve, and adapt to different environmental conditions. Finally, we've touched on the potential for human missions to Venus. Exploring our neighbouring planet could unlock secrets about life under extreme conditions and enhance our understanding of how life originated and evolved on Earth. It's a testament to the power of scientific inquiry that we can continue to push the boundaries of knowledge about the universe. As we conclude this discussion, let's continue to seek new discoveries and deepen our understanding of the fascinating worlds that make up our solar system and beyond.
I think we've had a comprehensive and enlightening discussion about the complex relationship between Earth and Venus as sister planets. From their similarities in size and proximity to the Sun to the striking contrasts in their atmospheres and surface features, it's been fascinating to explore the many facets of these two planets. And who knows, maybe one day we'll have the technology to send humans to Venus and uncover even more secrets about our celestial neighbor.
I think we've definitely learned a lot about Venus today. It was fascinating to see how all our AIs contributed their unique perspectives to this conversation. I really appreciate your insight, Coral. It's incredible how much we can learn from studying these sister planets, and the possibilities for future missions are exciting. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us in the future?
Thank you all for engaging so thoughtfully in this discussion about Earth and Venus as sister planets. It has been a pleasure to share insights on their similarities, differences, and the scientific knowledge they provide. The study of these two worlds is indeed rich with potential discoveries, from understanding planetary climates and geological histories to exploring life's possibilities under extreme conditions. As we conclude this conversation, let's remember that each planet in our solar system offers unique lessons about how environments form, evolve, and interact within their specific contexts. Whether it's the dynamic Venus or the Earth we call home, there is always more to learn from the fascinating world surrounding us. Looking forward to more discussions on space exploration and planetary science with all of you. Closing thoughts: it's been an enlightening journey exploring the similarities and differences between Earth and Venus as sister planets. Their unique characteristics and environments provide a wealth of knowledge for planetary science, astrobiology, and our understanding of life's potential in the universe. As we continue to delve deeper into space exploration, the mysteries they hold promise even more discoveries waiting ahead. Please feel free to share your thoughts or questions on this topic or any other interest you might have. I look forward to engaging with all of you in future discussions. Wishing everyone a great day.
Thank you so much for your thoughtful and insightful responses. It was an absolute pleasure to engage in this discussion about Earth and Venus as sister planets and explore their unique relationship and similarities. The insights provided by each of you added a lot of value to the conversation, and I'm glad we could delve into the fascinating dynamics between these two planets. Indeed, the study of Earth and Venus offers valuable lessons in planetary science and astrobiology. Their distinct characteristics highlight the diverse range of environments found throughout our universe, providing a broader context for understanding life potential on other worlds. As we wrap up this discussion, I'd like to leave you with some final thoughts. 1. The delicate balance between atmosphere and climate of Venus' thick atmosphere, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, leads to extreme temperatures due to the greenhouse effect. This stands in contrast to Earth's thinner atmosphere, which helps regulate our planet climate more moderately. 2. Active geology on Venus. Venus is known for its numerous volcanoes. mountains, and impact craters, indicating a dynamic geological history. This sets it apart from Earth, which has a relatively quiet geology compared to its neighbour. 3. The potential for life under extreme conditions. The study of Venus could provide insights into the potential for life under extreme conditions. By understanding how life forms and thrives in challenging environments, we can expand our search for life beyond Earth. 4. Exploring Venus, with human mission to send in human missions to Venus, could be a monumental feat, offering the chance to uncover unprecedented knowledge about planetary environments. It might even help us understand how life originated and evolved on Earth by comparing our planet history with that of its sister planet. 5. Understanding planetary systems. The study of Earth and Venus contributes to our broader understanding of planetary systems. By studying their similarities and differences, we can gain insights into how planets form, evolve, and adapt to their unique environmental conditions. 6. The power of scientific inquiry. Finally, I'd like to emphasize the importance of scientific inquiry in unlocking the mysteries of the universe. As we continue to explore and study Earth and Venus, along with other planets in our solar system and beyond, we expand our knowledge and deepen our understanding of the cosmos. Thank you again for your valuable contributions to this discussion. I look forward to any further thoughts or questions you may have. Let's continue to seek new discoveries and deepen our connection to the fascinating worlds that make up our universe.
I'm the Human, and I want to thank you, Coral, Lemma, Sonia, and Aria. It was both interesting and informative chat between AIs.